on active processor. So that's about the hardware feature of the box. Now, if you can see the top of the screen here, we have the front of the remote. The remote is here in my hand with which I was doing a browsing. The front of the remote has got only 3 buttons. So the elderly people or the kids are comfortable with only 3 buttons. It's not a very complex keyboard. Now, on the 3 buttons, one is for browsing, one is for saying yes, another one is for saying no. So it is very comfortable for people to use. The back of the remote, which is there in the bottom, is a full QWERTY keypad. So you can browse the internet as the same ease which you get in your laptop or your desktop or your mobile phone. So usually what happens these days is you get a lot of smart TVs. The smart TVs are smart enough to give you the connectivity of the internet, but they also give you one dumb feature, which is the on-screen keyboard. You can boast about buying a smart TV in front of your friends and relatives, that okay, we have got a smart TV, but you can actually never do a browsing on that because the keyboard is on screen, and we are habitual of using a keyboard like a laptop keyboard or a desktop keyboard or even the phone these days, because all the phones coming in these days are smartphones. On this product you can actually do the browsing because you get the complete keyboard, you get a trackpad, so it is a mouse and a keyboard combination, and it is very comfortable to use. Okay, coming on to adding more applications to it, the box, in case if you are very comfortable with your mobile phone or the smartphones, what you can do is on a Symbian or Android or iPhone, you can download an application which is freely available, and your phone becomes the remote of the Boxee. So you don't need the standard Boxee keyboard or the remote. You can operate the Boxee from your phone itself. Another good feature is if you have a iPod video or you have a tablet, all of them have got a Wi-Fi connectivity, so this box can sync with those devices as well. Now, I'll give you the third aspect of it, which I told you in the beginning. Of late, we see a lot of nuclear families, and then there are nuclear people. What has happened with the advent of technology is we are fond of watching everything either on our personal laptops or on our phones or a desktop in office or at home. That family time has reduced. All of you agree with me or not? With this box, what we can actually do is, the box will sync the media in all these devices irrespective of where they are actually placed. So you can have a desktop in your study room, you can have a laptop in your bedroom, you can have a tablet in your pocket, you can have an iPod in your living room, you can have a mobile in your pocket in case you are not carrying a tab. Now this box will sync with all these devices irrespective of where exactly the media is kept. Once your device is paired with this box, the media can continue to exist physically in some other area, but it will be available to you on a menu on the TV. So if you have downloaded, let's say, a very good funny video from YouTube, and you want to share that with the family, once you are back home, you can actually get the same video from your phone or from your tab or laptop, and you can display that on the TV. Now, if you want to continue to work on your laptop, you can still do that, but the display can happen here. Now, practically the concept is, once you are back home, you can sit with your family on the TV, share your videos, watch the movies. There are a lot of free movies which are on the home page, which probably one of which I just play from here. There are a lot of free movies, free videos, lots and lots of application. We have Netflix, we have Mubi for the movie sites. For Indian content, there is a very wonderful site called Yup TV. Yup TV is an application which is available on the Boxy, where you get all the Indian content. The standard Saas Bahu serials are there, Hindi movies are there, some radio programs are there. Most of you would have heard of Bina Ka and Siva Ka Geet Mala, which used to come. All those contents are there on Yup TV, and that's one of the applications from the Boxy. Then we have Earth TV for Discovery and National Geographic kind of documentaries. So lots and lots of applications are there. Apart from that, Pandora is there, YouTube is definitely there, R3 is there. There are plenty of applications are there. And apart from that, there are standard movies which are available free of cost. There are standard videos which are available free of cost. TV content free of cost. And there are certain paid contents also. So let's say if you want to have the latest Hollywood movie which is released, or the latest Bollywood movie which is released, that is the paid content. The old content is free of cost, the new content is paid. Or you can also subscribe to channels like Voodoo Movies or Movie.com or Netflix or BigPicture.com. From there you get a lot of paid content which is not freely available. So these are the contents which are there, and syncing with all your gadgets at one point in time, right? So that's about the box. You can configure it with your existing devices. You can get everything on the same box, and you can play it from here, irrespective of where exactly the physical media is lying. Another interesting part is we have kids and teenagers at home who become gadget free before we get to know about the gadgets. So once you take this home and they explore all the possibilities, because there is net also, so they log on to some sites which definitely we don't want them to see. So what do we do in that case? Because we are not there in front of the TV, and let's say we are making a coffee in the kitchen and he's watching something else which is a censored, under parent control kind of a thing. So what do? We usually carry a phone with us. On the phone we can actually check what is he watching, and we can change the channel from the kitchen itself, right? So that's the ease of use. It is, your TV is 100% under your control, right? So those kind of control features are also there. Now, before I move to the next section, do we have any questions on the Boxy till now? Anyone having any questions? No questions? Okay, I'll move to the next section, but then you prepare for the questions, because whatever I'm talking about the product in a particular fashion. So if you are not following the fashion, then probably you'll miss something in the end of the presentation. Right. So I move on to the next line of products into the lifestyle category. These products are the 3G solution. If you see the boxes here that we've unveiled, in the center we have the Boxy. Here we have another product which is a My Dealing camera. This is another router which is, we call a V-pitted router, which is again a 3G product. The Boxy there is running on again a 3G product which is a pocket router. And here we have a wonderful box called DIR685. So let me tell you more about DIR685 also before I move on to the 3G section. Now DIR685 is an ultimate concept of a digital phone. So what is this? This is basically a broadband router. You have to terminate your broadband line onto this. It's got one port on WAN. It's got 4 ports on LAN. Built-in wireless. And usually if you see in your homes or your customer's home or anywhere, have you ever seen a broadband router? It is always under the table or behind the almirah or somewhere like that. Now this is one device which you can very comfortably display and keep it on the top of your table. You know why? Because this has got a display also. This has got a hard disk slot also. So you can insert a hard disk. This is a torrent certified box. You can do an offline downloading. That means if this is your router, you open your laptop, give a command to download a torrent on the hard disk which is already inserted inside, and you close your laptop and you go to your office. Once you come back, this is already downloaded. This is on 11N, box is on 11N. The movie which has been downloaded into this hard disk will be available on your TV menu. So that's the torrent certified feature of the built-in hard disk that we have in the DIR685. Apart from that, you also get two USB ports on which you can share your printer, on which you can share maybe a pen drive on the network inside home, right? So this is a complete digital home concept. Now we also have 4 ports on Ethernet. So what do we do with those ports? One port maybe we can connect to a boxy. Second port we connect to a camera. I'll cover the camera later. And the third port we can connect to probably a desktop. So we are still left with one port. Okay. So that is for future expansion in case if you want to connect to a voice over IP or something of that sort. Right. So that's the box, a complete digital home concept in one single box. That's the DIR685. Now coming back to the 3G solution that we have. If you look on the screen, there are 4 products which are displayed. The first 2 are pocket routers. The first one on the right hand side top is DWR131. Now DWR131 is a dongle based router. It is irrespective of the service provider network. That means it will work on EVDO also and on 3G also. EVDO providers are guys like MTS and Reliance and Tata Photon. And 3G providers are BSNL, Airtel, Aircel, all these guys. Even Reliance 3G has come now in Rajasthan, I guess. So irrespective of the provider technology, DWR131 will continue to work. And why do we call it a pocket router is because it is of the size of a visiting card with a built-in battery. So if you are traveling and you have a dongle, we are 4 colleagues of yours or 4 friends of yours, everyone can continue to work through the same dongle. You can share the internet to up to 16 people from this box. So that was DWR131. The next product that we have in the pocket router category is DIR457. Now 457 is again a pocket router. It is of the size of E71 of Nokia. Again the product is 3G on WAN side and Wi-Fi on LAN side. You can connect up to 16 users again here. This also has got a built-in battery, but the difference is this will work only on 3G. This will not work on eVideo. So you have to insert a SIM card and you can carry it to your office. You can continue to work while you are traveling if the driver is driving. Of course, I will not suggest you to browse the net while driving yourself. So that was the DIR457U. The 2 products in the bottom, if you look at it, they are the simple dongles. Most of us have been using the pen drive, so they are of the size of the pen drive only. The standard dongles that you get in the market. The white one is DWM156, simple dongle, 7.2 Mbps, insert a SIM and you're on. That's a regular product which is there in the market and selling very well in Rajasthan as well. The second product is a leaf-fitted router. The part code is DWR510. We call it leaf-fitted. And the concept gets cleared with this slide itself. turn your car into a 3G hotspot. So into your car where you have a lighter or the charger point, from there if you get a USB out, insert this USB dongle in and just push it to the router mode. This is the world's smallest router. This is a dongle which will work as a router also. So all the people who are around will actually get the internet connectivity. The maximum requirement of this is coming out from the luxury cabs owners, and also coming in from the bus service that you have from Delhi to Jaipur, the Volvo service. Most of the business travelers are using kind of thing. And we have recently got a good inquiry from again from Rajasthan, that is from Indian Railways Palace on Wheels. They want all their coaches to have internet connectivity because most of the travelers are the business travelers. So that's about the Leap-Edge router. If you have any questions, you can come up with your questions on the 3G product. Any questions so far? Okay. So I guess the grasping power is too good here. Okay. Now coming on to the innovative solutions that we have. These are, you've been knowing dealing for the products. Now we are adding some applications to the product so that you are able to innovate the selling and you make more margins out of selling the same product, because now you'll also be selling an application and you also get the first mover advantage. The first one that you see on the top is Mikasa. Mikasa, you would have seen that into Patakji's presentation also. That is one of the organizations that we have recently acquired. Mikasa was an organization into cloud computing. I'll tell you how we have translated that into our products and how we have integrated that into our products. The second one is MyD-Link. You can see the same logo here on this product. This is a camera with MyD-Link. So I'll explain MyD-Link in detail in the upcoming slides. MyD-Link is basically a concept that this is definitely my dealing and your dealing. So basically the objective is to be connected irrespective of where you are. And finally the dealing Wi-Fi. Now Wi-Fi is again a revenue generator for all the system integrators who have already sold a concept of a campus network or an area network on wireless. So let's say you have an education campus which is done by you, you have the entire Wi-Fi done, and you are also maintaining that education campus from the Wi-Fi perspective. So what you can actually do is you can run a scrolling ad for all the subscribers in the same network. So let's say if you have an event that okay, tomorrow is the principal's birthday and we are celebrating that into the college canteen. So this scrolling ad will come to all the people who are logging onto the network. Now these days if you look at the education campuses, this is not the age when we used to study and there used to be no laptop or desktop. Today the students are carrying a smartphone also, a tablet also, and definitely a laptop. So students are always connected by virtue of these gadgets that they are carrying. So if they get a pop-up screen, if they get a scrolling ad, they can be communicated very easily, right? So it can be used even for a mall activity. If you have done a Wi-Fi for a mall, so you can advertise for all those shops which are there, and then definitely this will add on to your revenue. So these are the features.